CDN, which is a content delivery network. And this is a vital part for a big, highly scalable system. I will explain you CDN with the example of Netflix. So let's say Netflix are having millions of users and they are having a server in America and they want to serve their movies and series to across the globe. Let's say there is a user from India, as Netflix has only one media server in the USA. So for in Indian user, the request will go to the Asia continent to America continent, and that's how the user receives the media, and then user can access the videos or the whatever files the user requested. So it will take the time as there is only one server and there are millions of users accessing the files and videos. So it will the server will overwhelm and not able to handle this much of load. So that's why CDN is introduced to serve the static content like images, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or video files, images files, or any static file. Not only Netflix, but all application that require to serve the media file at high scale, they use the CDN. So CDN is an content delivery network, which is an distributed edge network. I will explain you with an example. So there is an origin server, like here we have a Netflix origin server. So what CDN does, it has a edge network in the all the available regions. So let's say here in UK there is a origin server of Netflix. So in all available regions, like in India, it will create an origin server. In Brazil, it will create an origin server. So it will create an origin server to the all famous or in the places where there are most users. So India, there are millions of users. So it will create an edge server near to India or in India. So that's what a CDN does. And then when Netflix uploads an video, the first it will go to the its origin server, and then as it's an CDN network, so it will be forwarded to all the edge servers. So it will be forwarded to the India also and all the available edge network. So that's what CDN is. And now if a user from India tries to access the file or request an movie, so instead of routing the request to the USA, so the user will get the request, got the video from the Indian edge servers. So that is what content delivery network is, and that's how it reduce the latency, because earlier there was only one server, so that's why there are huge latency. So here there is a low latency, reduce the original load, improves the availability because there are multiple edge locations. And if somehow um, for any reason the USA server goes down but still Indian server is up, so that's why Indian users will get the right the appropriate files, and the USA traffic will be routed to the its next closest edge location. That's how it improves the availability. And yeah, because it is distributed, so it will handle the traffic spikes also. So here are some big players that provides the CDN network, like Cloudflare, you already might know, AWS, CloudFront, and with the S3 service. Then Fastly and Akamai, which is an enterprise grade CDN network. So that's how you can use CDN with the AWS S3 and serve your static files. So that is what CDN is.